In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the homepage in Prestashop, specifically migrating from the classic theme to the Creative Elements theme. Let's dive right in and make your online store more dynamic and visually appealing. First things first, you're going to want to access your Prestashop admin dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll be redirected to your Prestashop back-office dashboard. This is essentially the central hub where you can manage virtually every aspect of your online store. From here, you have the ability to make numerous changes that can enhance both the functionality and the appearance of your website. Now that we're on the dashboard, we'll focus our attention on editing that all-important homepage. Direct your attention to the Modules section, typically found in the side menu on your dashboard. A swift click on Modules will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Marketplace. Within the Marketplace section, it's essential to search for a module named Creative Elements. This module will be instrumental in customizing your homepage, giving it the fresh and creative look you're seeking. Once you've located the Creative Elements module through your search, the next logical steps are to purchase and install it. The installation process is generally quite straightforward, usually involving just a few clicks. And once it's correctly installed, we're ready to proceed with migrating from the classic theme. With the Creative Elements module now installed, it's time to move forward with customizing your homepage. Begin by opening the creative editor that's included within the module. This tool will give you access to a wide variety of widgets and elements that you can use to build or modify your homepage according to your personal preferences and the unique branding of your store. The beauty of Creative Elements lies in its user-friendly interface, which makes this entire process intuitive. It allows you to effortlessly drag and drop the elements you need, helping you construct a homepage layout that truly stands out. Once you've meticulously crafted your desired layout, it's crucial to ensure that the new elements are correctly linked to the appropriate hooks. These hooks are essential in ensuring that everything displays properly on the homepage. I recommend taking a moment to double-check these settings to prevent any display issues. And remember, you're not just limited to creating new content from scratch. There's also the option of editing existing homepage content if needed. To do this, you can use the Module Manager to locate any specific modules currently in place. Simply search for the module you wish to edit and configure its settings or modify its content as required. By diligently following these steps, you'll be able to successfully edit and enhance your Prestashop homepage. I hope this guide proves beneficial and helps you create an engaging web presence for your online store. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy editing!